ABIR X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Intelligent cleaning with powerful suction and visual navigation. The ABIR X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers a sophisticated and efficient cleaning solution, combining powerful suction with advanced visual navigation. This robot provides a comprehensive cleaning experience, integrating vacuuming and mopping capabilities, while offering smart features that enhance its performance and user convenience. Key features: Camera plus VSLAM plus SLAM triple navigation system. The ABIR X6 utilizes a sophisticated triple navigation system, providing the same level of performance as LDS-equipped robots at a more affordable price. This system allows for precise mapping and efficient cleaning routes. Powerful 6,000 Pascal suction. Experience exceptional cleaning performance with the upgraded 6,000 Pascal suction power, effectively removing dust, debris, and pet hair from various floor surfaces. Slim design. With a height of only 7.6 centimeters, the ABIR X6 can easily navigate under furniture and reach tight spaces, unlike bulkier LDS robots. Large capacity dustbin and water tank. The robot features a 600 milliliters dustbin and a 360 milliliters electric pump water tank, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying or refilling. Smart app control. The ABIR X6 offers comprehensive app control, allowing users to direct the robot to clean specific spots on the map, select specific areas to clean, set up to 4 virtual barriers to restrict cleaning zones, utilize breakpoint resume cleaning for efficient multi-session cleaning, adjust suction power and water flow, sweeping and mopping functionality. The ABIR X6 combines sweeping and mopping functions, providing a thorough cleaning experience for various floor types. Obstacle crossing ability. The robot can easily navigate over obstacles up to 2 centimeters in height. Long run time. Enjoy up to 120 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge, covering areas up to 200 square meters. Specifications. Product size: 330 by 330 by 76 millimeters. Navigation system: Camera plus VSLAM plus SLAM triple navigation. Max suction: 6,000 pascals. Voltage: 25 W. Dustbin capacity: 600 milliliters. Water tank capacity: 360 milliliters. Runtime: about 120 minutes. Obstacle crossing ability: 2 centimeters. Cleaning area: 200. Charging time: less than 6 hours. Package contents: main body, charging station, remote controller, AC adapter, dustbin, electric water tank, cleaning brush, 2 extra side brush, extra HEPA filter, extra mop. User manual. Benefits: intelligent navigation for efficient cleaning, powerful suction for thorough dirt removal, slim design for navigating under furniture, large capacity dustbin and water tank for extended cleaning, smart app control for customized cleaning, 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Overall, the ABIR X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a smart and powerful cleaning solution that offers exceptional performance and user convenience. Its advanced navigation system, powerful suction, and comprehensive app control make it a valuable addition to any home.